Techniseal's line of cleaners, stain removers, and protectors make paver care as easy as 1, 2, 3. Before gathering family and friends, before protecting your pavers from damage, restore your pavers with Techniseal's line of stain removers and cleaners. Before a protective sealant can be applied, new pavers are especially vulnerable to staining. Older pavers have their share of grime, oil, and organic stains. Each Techniseal Step 1 stain remover is made to tackle the toughest stains. Professional-grade oil and grease remover is ideal for spot cleaning older, penetrated stains. For fresh oil or barbecue grease stains on a sealed surface, dirt and grease cleaner is the ideal choice. Rust remover effectively removes rust stains without discoloring pavers. With a minimum of scrubbing, organic stain remover will remove moss, mildew, dead leaves, wine, blood, and non-greasy food stains. Efflorescence, slab-cut stains, and haze from some polymeric sands must be cleaned prior to applying a protector. Techniseal Step 2 cleaners will have hardscape looking its best and ready for Step 3, applying a protector. Pre-Seal Cleaner for Pavers is specially formulated to dissolve efflorescence, remove ground-in dirt, and brighten up the color of pavers. Containing no hydrochloric acid, this Step 2 cleaner works deep without damaging the surface, cleans evenly, and enables the Step 3 protector to better penetrate the material for optimal results. Cleaning the entire installation with Hardscape Cleaner for Pavers will remove ground-in dirt and brighten up the color of pavers, the ideal choice for routine maintenance.
Before applying any Techniseal product, always read the instructions found on the product label and in the technical data sheet available at techniseal.com. Now protect your investment with one of Techniseal's Step 3 multi-surface paver protectors. Available in a wide range of finishes and formulations for use on patios and pathways, driveways, and poolside. We hope this video helps you make the most of Techniseal's paver care system. For more information on Techniseal products, we invite you to visit techniseal.com or our YouTube channel.